Welcome to our new video. I am Taslimul Hassan, a professional WordPress designer and developer. In this quick video, I will show you how you can buy domain and hosting using NameCheap with low price. For that, please click on link on the description or click on the link on pinned comment. You will redirect it to this page, and now you need to log in or register to NameCheap to avail the offer. So I already have an account, so I am login to my account. So I have to log in, and now I will try to buy a new domain and new hosting. So I selected a domain name. If you are new, you can get this domain in just $5, 5.98 USD with this coupon code. So I have selected two items. One is domain and another is the hosting, which is Stellar. Now click try coupons with Honey. Honey plugin will test the coupon codes, all the latest coupon codes, and get the maximum benefits. You can simply install this Honey plugin. Just Google it, Honey plugin, and just add it to your Chrome browser or your Firefox browser. Okay, with Honey I have just saved 1.65 US dollar. Now I will confirm the order. So this is how you can get extra discount with Honey plugin. So every time you shop online, try to use this Honey plugin before checkout. It will save your money. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel.